How to claim your Nodepay voucher code. Now just simply open up any preferred web browser and head directly to app.nodepay.ai. Once you're here, just make sure that you're fully logged in to your registered account. Now, if you do not have the referral or the voucher code, for you to be able to earn it is just go directly to referral program. And then by this link, you should be able to have a voucher code if you have a successful invitation from one of your friends. Now just head down directly to earnings and make sure that you complete these 3 steps. Verify your email, connect your wallet, and confirm your wallet address. Now once everything is completed, to claim your voucher is just click on your username and then go to claim voucher and input your voucher unique code and click on claim voucher. And that is how you claim your voucher code in NodPay.